Hello?
It's another phone call. They call us back.
I can hear you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. We don't have the mall for the steamed chicken with broccoli. We have.
But I didn't want steamed chicken and broccoli. I just need steamed chicken. It's for a dog. It's not for me. And he can't eat broccoli. So I just want the steamed chicken. So why can't I just get a pint of steamed chicken? Why do I have to get a large or a combo? I do want a combo. I want a sesame chicken combo with white rice, but I just want a pint of steamed chicken.
Just screwed up the whole thing. Just added something else.
Okay, one moment, ma'am.
One moment, please.
Let me just check with my chef. One moment.
Gotta check with the chef. Here comes the chef. The chef's gonna get on the phone. Holy shit. Oh, I want a steamed chicken, please, for my dog. He's dying.
Stop! I'm crying. I can't see. Stop!
Oh, this is the best video ever.
Stop!
This only happens once a lifetime.
Crying.
This is the first time I got it on tape.
Daddy's making me laugh and I can't see.
Are you going there or not?
Oh no! You sit over the bridge.
Wait. Oh my god. You gotta get off at 1.2 miles. Oh my god. Wow, this chef must be all the way in the back of the kitchen. He hasn't come to the phone yet. Holy shit. This must be a long restaurant.
Stop.
This guy hasn't come to the phone. What do you mean? Cheap chicken. We don't got that. No, give us a large. She's trying to upsell you.
Oh god.
What is going on? He's trying to do scrambling around. What the hell? We got steamed chicken in the box? Oh my god. It can't. We got 6 minutes to get there.
Hang up.
Wait, no, keep it going, please. Don't.
She called me back.
She can't get enough of you. Stupid Americans.
Stop.
Oh my god. What is happening over there in the Chinese restaurant right now? They're like, these stupid Americans.
I'm hanging up.
What are you doing? You gonna go over there? Steamed chicken. Oh my god.